that means this has to be aligned with this here. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put this here and then align it. Okay, so now everything is working. Secondly, I'm going to add my blade here. Make sure when you put the blade it's completely settled. And then I will put the brines. So we have the mushroom in there. Now, you see, I have one broken piece already because someone tried to jam it into that. So this is different size here, different size here. This is the only size that you want slanted that's going to go here to push this. So this here will push through. So this here will push that bar down, and that's how you start the engine on the motor. Okay, so
it won't turn on without you turning the
yeah, it won't turn on if it's not connected. So this is here, and now we're going to turn him on. Off, because I don't want it too soft. I'm going to pulse him.
Cool.
I'm just moving this around. Again, this is your spatula. So instead of opening, so you can move this around as a spatula, and then we'll also. Okay, so now when I want to open, I will get the lid open first. So now I'm releasing that bar. So try not to yank it, and that's what the student was trying to do. And like, so this is here. And then you will push this way. And then you open him up. I mean, this is sometimes it gets really jammed. Here we are. Yeah, it's been rusted, so it needs a little clean up. Now we're going to take that into the pan. So a little bit of butter or oil. I'm using oil here. And then yeah, sometimes the mushroom also tend to change color right away. You might add a little bit of lemon in there. Okay, once you scrape him, don't use the rubber spatula for cooking. A little bit of salt. Pepper, it can be black pepper or white pepper. A little bit of thyme and parsley in here. A little spoon, and we are going to draw all that moisture, so you don't want it too wet. So you are making a nice paste. You still have bits and pieces of the mushroom. It's not completely watery. And then we're going to deglaze that with a little bit of wine. Again, cherry wine or any good wine. Brandy is a good idea to use when you are making a duxelle. But you need to cook it, so it doesn't mean it's already pureed, ready to go. No, you have to really cook it and allow to dry out a little bit. And if you're going to use it with beef Wellington, for example, then you have to cool it off. You can't just use it from a hot state. It has to be cooled off. Because if you are using it from a hot state, then it will break down the dough. Yes? I'm sorry, Chris, can you speak a little louder? Yeah, we can do, I mean, you can do also on a chicken Wellington. It doesn't have to be just beef. We can do one right now. If you get a nice piece of, but of course it's not going to be the same texture. It has to be tender. That's why you always want to use filet mignon. You can't use any other cut. But also you can use chicken breast when you are making Wellington. But you still need to cook the mushroom. Mushroom is all about texture. Yeah, beef Wellington can be done for a buffet. That means can be done for 10 or more, and it can be also done individually by cutting it into fillets and then forming. Wine too early, because that's not going to allow the wine to deglaze. Now we're going to allow the alcohol to cook. You don't want that raw taste in food. See, not wet. This is pasty. That's what we're looking for. So that's how we make a duxelle. Any question?
So chef, what do you have it in your dough? You have
Just a puff pastry.
okay.
Yeah. I don't have anything illegal. Ask Cheerio, he likes the edible stuff. Yeah, see, oh yeah. Nothing should be legal. And you don't want it too much. You just want a little bit, otherwise it become too soggy. I'm just making this as an example. And then I'm going to, again, do Cheerio's favorite rolling stuff. Little oil, or you can put a parchment paper also. So I'm making like a strudel. If Chef Elizabeth is here, she will correct me. It's supposed to be a strudel, really coming from the throat. Here we are. And also you can score them before cooking. Here we go.